Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will cover the topic how to take a print screen or how to take a screenshot with print screen or a sniffing tool. We will cover both methods. Friends, we will move to the topic and go to search bar and write here SNIPPING snipping tool. Click on it. Friends, sniffing tool is open. Here we will see different options. Then we will also check whether which method we will use and how we can capture the screenshot or capture the any important things. First of all, we will go to in menu, new menu. Here only when we want to sniff the or capture the screen, then we click on new. Then next menu is mode. Here are different mode: free form sniff, rectangular sniff, window sniff and full screen sniff. We will see one by one and check how it will sniff or how it will get screenshot or get the sniff. First of all, we will go to free form sniff. Friends, here a scissor type icon are shown. Here we will see like we want to see the specific area, or we want to cut the specific text or anything. We will click on it and like this you will see it looks like this. If we choose the mode free form sniff, and we can save this sniff on the icon, save sniff icon, and also we can copy this sniff from copy icon, and we can also email on click envelope type icon like email, and here are pen and some other highlighter, eraser and some other tools. We will also see here like blue pen, red pen and some other available. Here are highlighter. We can highlight anything, like we want to highlight anything we can do. And then here are eraser. We can use eraser to highlighter, and here are edit with paint. These are the some options. We will also see other mode, rectangular sniff. We will click on it and we will click on new. Here our mode are rectangular sniff. Friends, we will click as we want. This is the rectangular snap. Same, we can save our copy or something like this we want to see. And we see other sniffing mode, window sniff. Click on new. Here our selected window sniff, and we see how window sniff works. This is the window sniff. And one thing is left only. We choose the mode full screen sniff. If we click on it, then it's also, you will see it also like the rectangular sniff. These are almost same things. And here are file menu like new sniff, save as, send to, print. We can also send print. And there are edit, copy, and edit with paint 3D, same like toolbar which are discussed here, and help bar. Friends, this is the sniffing tool. There are different options we can use, and here one important option are delay. If we want to immediate, then we select no delay. If we want some delay like 1 second, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 3 seconds, then it will delay sometimes. We will try this new, and so we can use these. It has sniffed the windows. These are the different options we can use, and we can capture anything, any important thing through this tool. And now discuss other method. Friends, we can also take print screen from keyboard. If we look on keyboard, then a print screen key is available on laptop or desktop keyboard. We can click on it, then we see. We will open paint. Here I will press on key print screen, then I will paste on paint. Friend, this is the also option. We can take the screenshot on Windows 10, and here sometime we will press Windows key on keyboard and then press print screen. As you see the behavior of the screen, as it some dims, it means it captures the screen, and we check here whether it takes print screen or screenshot or not. Here it takes the screenshot. We can also say print screen. These are the some options which we can use to take snapshot, print screen. I hope this will be helpful for you to get more videos for about information, troubleshooting and configuration. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos, and subscribe my channel, so you will get most important videos which will be very helpful for you. For this time, no, I am quitting this topic. No, okay, bye.